Hi everyone, how are you? I hope all are doing good. Welcome back Murari Maths online classes. Today I would like to explain continuity differentiability problems. Okay, now explain question number 1. dy dx of tan inverse of x by x square plus 1 plus tan inverse of 1 plus x square by x. Okay, we have tan inverse of 1 by x is equal to cot inverse x. Okay, so tan inverse of 1 by x is equal to cot inverse of x by 1. Okay, now so d by dx of tan inverse of x by x square plus 1, this is nothing but cot inverse of reciprocal of this fraction. So cot inverse of reciprocal of this one, x square plus 1 by x plus tan inverse of this, right, as it is 1 plus x square by x. Okay, we have one formula, tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Tan inverse theta plus cot inverse of theta equal to pi by 2. Okay, so this value will be pi by 2. Cot inverse theta plus tan inverse theta. Therefore, d by dx of pi by 2. Differentiation of constant is 0. Let us go to the next problem. Root 1 minus x square plus root 1 minus y square is equal to a into x minus y. Then find out dy by dx. Okay. So by using substitution method, let us take x is equal to sine alpha and y is equal to sine beta. So let us take x is equal to sine alpha, y is equal to sine beta. Therefore alpha is equal to sine inverse x and beta equal to sine inverse y. Okay, right. So therefore root under 1 minus sine square alpha plus the root over 1 minus sine square beta equal to a into sine alpha minus sine beta. Okay, we have this formula cos alpha plus cos beta equal to a into sine alpha minus sine beta. Okay, we have cos c plus cos d formula, 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2, where cd placed in alpha beta there. So 2 cos alpha plus beta by 2 cos alpha minus beta by 2 equal to a times of, we have sin c minus sin d formula, 2 cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. In this 2 cos alpha plus beta by 2 sin alpha minus beta by 2. Okay, so both side 2 cos alpha plus beta by 2 get cancelled. Okay, this sin alpha minus beta by 2 bring the left side. So the cos alpha minus beta by 2, this whole divided by sin alpha minus beta by 2 equal to a. So cos by sin, we get cot alpha minus beta by 2 equal to a. Therefore alpha minus beta by 2 is equal to cot inverse of a. Okay, where alpha beta are, where alpha is sin inverse x and beta is sin inverse y. Now we got it, alpha minus beta by 2 is equal to cot inverse of a. Okay, so alpha minus beta is equal to 2 cot inverse a, where alpha is sin inverse x minus this one sin inverse y is equal to 2 cot inverse of a. Okay, now applying derivative on both sides with respect to x. The differentiation of sin inverse x, we have 1 by root 1 minus x square. Differentiation of sin inverse y, 1 by root 1 minus y square into differentiation of y with respect to x dy by dx. The different a constant, 2 cot inverse a constant derivative 0. Okay, this minus value bring the right side. 1 by root 1 minus x square is equal to 1 by root 1 minus y square into dy by dx. Okay, our target is dy by dx. So dy by dx equal to, therefore dy by dx is equal to See 1 by root 1 minus y square. Okay, bring the left side 1 root 1 minus y square by root 1 minus x square. Okay, this is answer. Let us go to the next problem. Y equal to secant of tan inverse x. Then find out dy by dx at x is equal to 1. Okay. Okay, what is given? Secant of tan inverse x. Now applying derivative on both sides with respect to x. So differentiation of y, we get dy by dx equal to differentiation of secant of tan inverse x. Differentiation of secant theta into tan theta. Differentiation of secant of tan inverse x, secant of tan inverse x into tan of tan inverse x. Okay, into differentiation of tan inverse x. Okay, by using chain rule. Okay, now secant of tan inverse x, tan of tan inverse x, differentiation of tan inverse x, we get 1 by 1 plus x square. So at x is equal to 1, we have to find dy by dx. Secant of, so tan inverse 1 is pi by 4. So tan of tan inverse x, this is nothing but x, where x value 1. Okay, 1 by 1 plus 1 square 1. So secant 45 value root 2. So root 2 by 2 equal to 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2 correct answer. Let us go to the next problem. Y value given, tan inverse of 3 minus x into root x by 1 minus 3x. Then we have to find dy by dx. Okay. So what is given? Y is equal to tan inverse of, okay, this root x multiply with 3 minus x, 3 root x minus x root x by 1 minus 3x. Okay. So y is equal to tan inverse of 3 into root x minus x root x. X root x is nothing but root x whole cube. Okay. So root x whole cube upon 1 minus 3 times of this x. X can be written as root x whole square. Okay, by using substitution method, let us take root x is equal to tan theta. Okay, we have 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta by 1 minus 3 tan square theta tan 3 theta. Therefore, theta is equal to tan inverse of root x. Okay, therefore, y is equal to tan inverse of 3 into tan theta minus tan cube theta by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. Okay, this is tan 3 theta. So tan inverse of, we have tan 3 theta, this formula. So tan inverse of tan 3 theta, this is nothing but 3 theta. So y is equal to 3 theta. 3 times of, what is theta? Where theta is tan inverse of root x. Tan inverse of root x. Therefore, we got it, y is equal to 3 tan inverse of root x. Okay. So now differentiation with respect to x on both sides. So differentiation of y with respect to x is dy by dx. So 3 constant, differentiation of tan inverse of root x. Okay, this will be 3 times of tan inverse of root x. So differentiation of tan inverse root x is 1 by 1 plus root x whole square into differentiation of right root x. Okay, we have derivative of tan inverse x 1 by 1 plus x square, where expression root x, right? So 3 by 1 plus x. Okay, the differentiation of root x, this will be 1 by 2 root x. Okay, so this is answer 3 by 2 into root x into 1 plus x. Okay, look at the next question. So d by dx of tan inverse of x by under root a square minus x square. So what is the form? Root a square minus x square. So let us take x is equal to a sin theta or a cos theta. So let us take x is equal to a sin theta. Okay. Therefore sin theta equal to x by a. Therefore theta equal to sin inverse of x by a. Now differentiation of tan inverse. Put x place in a sin theta. A sin theta by under root a square minus x square. X square means a square sin square theta. Okay, this will be d by dx of tan inverse a sin theta by, in this one a square take out common, outside into a, 1 minus sin square theta. This will be cos theta. Root 1 minus sin square theta value cos theta. Okay, a get cancelled. So differentiation of tan inverse of sin theta by cos theta. This is nothing but tan theta. So differentiation of, so tan inverse of tan theta, we get theta. So differentiation of theta. What is theta? Theta value sin inverse of x by a. Okay. Okay, we got it. D by dx of sin inverse of x by a. We have differentiation of sin inverse x. 1 by root 1 minus x square. Okay. This is the formula. Where x place in x by a, right. 1 by under root 1 minus x by a whole square into d by dx of x by a. So by using chain rule. So 1 by under root. So let us do LCM, a square LCM, a square minus x square by a square. So difference in this 1 by a constant. So differentiation of x will be 1. Okay. So 1 by root a square minus x square by a into 1 by a. So a get cancelled. So root a square value a. In this a get cancelled. What is the answer? 1 by root a square minus x square. Okay, let us go to the next problem. So d by dx of cot inverse root 1 plus x minus root 1 minus x by root 1 plus x plus root 1 minus x. Okay, so this type of problems by using substitution method, let us take x is equal to cos 2 theta. X is equal to cos 2 theta. Therefore 2 theta equal to cos inverse of x. Therefore theta equal to half cos inverse x. Okay. Why? Because we have formula root 1 plus cos 2 theta. 1 plus cos 2 theta. 1 plus cos 2 theta and 1 minus cos 2 theta. Okay, 1 plus cos 2 theta we have 2 cos square theta. 1 minus cos 2 theta, 2 sin square theta. Okay, right. So differentiation of this function with respect to x, cot inverse root 1 plus cos 2 theta, 1 plus cos 2 theta minus root 1 minus cos 2 theta upon root 1 plus cos 2 theta plus root 1 minus cos 2 theta. Okay. Now I say that d by dx of cot inverse, okay, root 1 plus cos 2 theta, we have formula 2 cos square theta. Okay, this is going to be 2 cos square theta minus this value 2 sin square theta upon 2 cos square theta plus 2 sin square theta. Okay, this will be d by dx of cot inverse. Okay, in this root 2 cos theta. Okay, root 2 cos theta minus root 2 sin theta, square root get cancelled. So root 2 cos theta minus root 2 sin theta upon root 2 cos theta plus root 2 sin theta. Root 2 cos theta plus root 2 sin theta. Okay, now we got it, this value. In this one root 2 take out common on numerator as well as denominator. So d by dx of cot inverse root 2 times of cos theta minus sin theta by root 2 times of cos theta plus sin theta. Okay, one root to get cancelled. We have cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta plus sin theta. One formula, cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta plus sin theta. This will be tan pi by 4 minus theta. Tan pi by 4 minus theta. So d by dx of cot inverse, right, this is tan 45 minus theta. Okay, so cot inverse of tan 945 minus theta. This tangent in convert into cotangent. We have one formula, tan A is equal to cot 90 minus A. Okay, right. So differentiation of d by dx of cot inverse, this tan function convert into cotangent function, cot 90 minus this angle. Okay, so now cot inverse of cot, we have formula cot inverse of cot x is equal to x. Okay, this value will be d by dx of pi by 2 minus pi by 4, pi by 2 minus pi by 4, pi by 4, minus into minus plus. So differentiation of 45 is 0, constant derivative. So differentiation of theta, where theta value of cos inverse x. Theta value of cos inverse x. Okay, so d by dx of pi by 4 plus theta. Okay, the differentiation of 45 constant derivative is 0. Right, d by dx of, where theta value already we got it, this value of cos inverse x. In this 1 by 2 constant, so differentiation of cos inverse x, we have formula minus 1 by root 1 minus x square. So what is the answer? Minus 1 by 2 times of root 1 minus x square answer. Okay, moving on, next question. D by dx of sin inverse of this function. Okay, find this value. So d by dx of sin inverse. Okay, this can be written as 1 by 2 into root 1 plus x plus 1 by 2 times of root 1 minus x. Okay. Okay, moving on, next question. So d by dx of sin inverse of root 1 plus x plus root 1 minus x by 2. Okay, what is the form 1 plus x, 1 minus x? So same, let us take x is equal to cos 2 theta. Okay, therefore 2 theta equal to cos inverse x. Therefore theta equal to half cos inverse x. Theta value of cos inverse x. We have formula 1 plus cos 2 theta. 2 cos square theta. 1 minus cos 2 theta. 2 sin square theta. Okay. Now substitute d by dx of sin inverse root 1 plus x. Root 1 plus, where write expression cos 2 theta minus plus root 1 minus cos 2 theta whole divided by 2. Okay. So this is d by dx of sin inverse root 1 plus cos 2 theta. We have 2 cos square theta, root over 2 cos square theta plus root over 2 sin square theta, this formula, this whole divided by 2. Okay. So d by dx of sin inverse, in this root 2 cos theta, root 2 cos theta, so root 2 cos theta by 2, okay, plus root 2 sin theta by 2. In this one, root 2 get cancelled, equal to d by dx of sin inverse 1 by root 2 cos theta plus 1 by root 2 sin theta. 1 by root 2 cos theta plus 1 by root 2 sin theta. Okay. Okay, we got it, this value. 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 can be written as sin 45. This 1 by root 2 cos 45. Okay, this is going to be d by dx of sin inverse. This 1 by root 2, right, sin pi by 4 into cos theta, plus this 1 by root 2, right, cos pi by 4 sin theta. Okay, so this is going to be d by dx of sin inverse sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. We have sin a plus b formula, sin a plus b, where a value pi by 4, b placed in theta, pi by 4 plus theta. Okay, now we have sin inverse of sin x. Sin inverse of sin x is equal to x. Okay, so this value d by dx of pi by 4 plus theta, where expression what value is there, pi by 4 plus theta. Okay, differentiation of 45 is 0 plus d by dx of theta. Okay, d by dx of what is theta? Okay, theta value of cos inverse x. Theta value of cos inverse x. Therefore 1 by 2 constant, where cos inverse x formula minus 1 by root 1 minus x square. What is the answer? Say minus 1 by 2 times of root 1 minus x square. That is the final answer. Okay, look at the next question. So y equal to tan inverse of 2 power x by 1 plus 2 to the power 2x plus 1. Then we have to find dy by dx at x equal to 0. Okay. Okay, let us do simplify this value. Tan inverse of, first write denominator value 1 plus 2 power 2x plus 1. This can be written as 2 power x into 2 power x plus 1. Okay, 2 power x into 2 power x plus 1, 2 power 2x plus 1. This 2 power x can be written as 2 power x plus 1 minus 2 power x. Okay, so 2 power x can be written as 2 power x plus 1 minus 2 power x. In this one, 2 power x take out comma, 2 minus 1. Okay, 2 power x is equal to 2 power x. Okay, so let us take, we have one formula, tan inverse of a minus b by 1 plus ab. Tan inverse of a minus b by 1 plus ab. This will be tan inverse of a minus tan inverse of b. What is the formula? Tan inverse of a minus tan inverse of b, where a placed in 2 power x plus 1 and b placed in 2 power x, right. So y is equal to, so tan inverse of a minus b by 1 plus ab. Tan inverse of a, where a placed in right 2 power x plus 1 minus tan inverse of b, b placed in right 2 power x. Okay, so now differentiation with respect to x on both sides. So differentiation of y dy by dx equal to differentiation of 2 power x plus 1, tan inverse 2 power x plus 1. This formula is 1 by 1 plus x square. 1 by 1 plus, where x placed in 2 power x plus 1, right, into d by dx of 2 power x plus 1 minus differentiation of tan inverse 2 power x. This formula is 1 by 1 plus 2 power x whole square into d by dx of, right, 2 power x. Okay, dy by dx, we got it, this value 1 by 1 plus 2 power x plus 1 whole square. So differentiation of 2 power x plus 1. Okay, differentiation of a to the power x is a to the power x log a. But in this one, differentiation of 2 power x plus 1 is 2 power x plus 1 into log 2. 2 power x plus 1 into log 2 into differentiation of x plus 1 is 1. Differentiation of x1, differentiation of 1, 0. Okay, into 1 minus 1 by 1 plus 2 power x whole square. Differentiation of 2 power x is 2 power x log 2. Okay, so our target is dy by dx at x is equal to 0. Okay, put expression 0. So this value will be log 2. Expression 0 substitute, this is into 2. 2 power 0 plus 1, 2. In denominator 1 plus 2 power 0 plus 1, this is 2. 2 square is 4. Minus 1 by 1 plus 2 power 0 whole square. 2 power 0 value 1. 1 square is 1. Into 2 power 0 value 1 log 2. Okay, In this one log 2 take out common. This value 2 by 5 minus 1 by 2. So log 2 into. So let us do LCM 10 LCM 4 minus 5 minus 1 by 10. So what is the answer? Minus 1 by 10 into minus 1 by 10 into log 2. Okay, let us go to the next problem. F of x value given. Then we have to find f dash 1. So f dash 1 means first we have to find f dash of x at x is equal to 1. Okay. So by using substitution method, so write first f of x is equal to cot inverse x to the power x minus x to the power minus x. X to the power x minus x means 1 by x to the power x by 2. This will be cot inverse. So let us do LCM. X to the power x is LCM. X to the power x into x to the power x to the power x whole square minus 1 by 2 into x to the power x. Okay. So let us take x to the power x is equal to cot theta. Because we have one formula cot square theta minus 1 by 2 cot theta cot 2 theta. Okay. Therefore theta is equal to cot inverse of x power x. Okay, right. This is f of x. So f of x is equal to cot inverse of, right, x to the power expression cot theta, cot square theta minus 1 by 2 cot theta. So this will be cot inverse cot square theta minus 1 by 2 cot theta. Okay, this is, we have formula cot square theta minus 1 by 2 cot theta is equal to cot 2 theta. What is the formula? Cot 2 theta. This is cot 2 theta. Okay, cot inverse of cot theta is nothing but 2 theta. What is this? F of x value. Where theta value cot inverse x to the power x. Okay, we got f of x value 2 theta, where theta value cot inverse of x to the power x. Okay, now differentiation with respect to x on both sides. So differentiation of f of x, we get f dash x, 2 constant. Differentiation of cot inverse x to the power x. We have differentiation of cot inverse x. This formula minus 1 by 1 plus x square. Okay, where expression x to the power x, right. So minus 1 by 1 plus x to the power x whole square into d by dx of x to the power x. Okay, by using chain rule. This is minus 2 by 1 plus x to the power x whole square. Okay, differentiation of x to the power x. We have formula x to the power x into 1 plus log x. X to the power x into 1 plus x, 1 plus log x. So d by dx of x to the power x is equal to x to the power x into 1 plus log x. This is the formula. Okay, what is this? F dash x value. But our target f dash 1. Put expression 1. F dash 1 is equal to minus 2 by 1 plus 1 power 1 whole square. This is 1 into 1 power 1. This is 1 plus log 1. So log 1 value is 0. So 1 plus 0 1 minus 2 by 2. Minus 2 by 2 is equal to minus 1. So what is the answer? Minus 1 answer. Thank you for watching. Remaining problems I will explain on next class.